understand? You will be giving your presentation about that, okay?
Okay.
Okay, please listen to it. We have started uh, understand to first conditional and zero conditional. Zero conditional started, we have that is possibility of truth, and first conditional we have started that there will be present simple in if plus present simple plus future simple, is it? So in the second
Yes,
conditional, please take the
yes, ma'am.
second conditional. Second conditional in the structure is if plus past simple plus would plus verb, means base form. Base form means according to the base, according to the form, according to the verb, what will happen. Base form, this that means after would what you will write, what is the verb you will write, that is called base form. You see, refers to situation that is impossible and unlikely to happen. Okay, did you see this one?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So that means what? Unlikely to happen. Means it is being done here, you see. If I own the lottery, I would buy a mansion. अगर मैं लॉटरी जीत जाता हूँ, इट इज पास्ट सिंपल, ओन द लॉटरी, अगर मैं जीत जाता हूँ, जाता तो मैं, अगर मैं लॉटरी जीत जाता तो मैं एक घर खरीदता, मतलब ये लॉटरी भी जीता नहीं और घर भी नहीं खरीदा, दैट मीन्स इट इज ए इम्पॉसिबल और अनलाइकली टू हैपन, मतलब लॉटरी अगर मुझे लग जाती तो मैं एक घर खरीद लेता, दैट मीन्स इट इज एन इम्पॉसिबल थिंग, दैट मीन्स दिस इज नॉट हैपन, जस्ट एन इमेजिनेशन. What are the second condition? Conditional words sentences are always based on imagination. Next example, if I were you, I would quit smoking. अगर मैं तुम होता, अगर मैं तुम्हारी जगह होता तो मैं जो स्मोकिंग है वो छोड़ देता. दैट मीन्स ना मैं तुम्हारी जगह हूँ और ना मैंने स्मोकिंग की कहीं बात हुई है. दैट मीन्स दिस इज स्ट्रक्चर इज if plus past participle plus would plus verb. अगर मैं लॉटरी जीत जाता तो मैं घर खरीदता, दैट इज. डिड यू अंडरस्टैंड दिस वन? दिस इज सेकंड कंडीशन, दिस इज द सेकंड कंडीशन
Excuse me,
sentence.
ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, what is verb base form?
Verb means what is the verb you will use. If I would buy a mansion, I would do this work, I would make you happy, that means what are the verb you can use, which verb, what is the result of the verb. Any verb you can take. Base form, base form means the main verb what you will take.
Okay, ma'am.
So can you make a sentence with
Yes,
second
ma'am.
conditional?
Yes, ma'am.
Please write in the
Yes,
copy
ma'am.
so that it will be very good to listen. Hello Harshit, what happened?
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening.
Hi.
What
I
happened?
was eating food.
Okay, taking dinner.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Take already over or you are taking till now?
No, ma'am.
Okay, very good, very good. Okay, please see this one. Second conditional things refers to a situation that is impossible or unlikely to happen. मीन्स जो इम्पॉसिबल है, दैट पॉसिबिलिटी ही नहीं है. जीरो कंडीशन में
Ma'am,
कुछ
which
होते हैं
bus?
यूनिवर्सल ट्रूथ, ठीक है. और फर्स्ट कंडीशन में अगर ये होता, सिंपली ये अगर होता तो वो होता, और यहाँ पे है पॉसिबिलिटीज ही नहीं है, मतलब एकदम इमेजिनेशन के ऊपर. ये ऑल द वर्ड्स सेंटेंसेस आर बीइंग टोल्ड इन विद इन इमेजिनेशन, दीज आर नो टच विद द रियलिटी, दैट इज कॉल्ड second conditional. That means conditional sentences are based on imagination always. There is no such reality. So where there is if, that means if means agar, agar ये होता, if in means it is condition, if it is agar ये होता तो वो होता, like this. So these are the structure: if plus past simple plus would plus ways, form of verb. Any verb you can take. Here is told. Okay. Now one example I am telling you to write. Please write down one example. Then I can understand that you have
only would.
understood. Yes.
Ma'am, we can use only would.
Would also you can use in the second conditional structure. You can see if plus past simple. Past simple, I own, past simple plus would, then verb, any verb you can take. I would buy, base verb means I would buy a mansion, I would do that one, I would make you happy, I would go to cinema, like that. I would buy a very good car, like that.
I'm done now.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm
Please
done.
make a sentence, Harshit, and let us listen to them. Karan, tell me your answer.
Okay, ma'am. My example is, if I saw a dream, I would make it real. It is
Hmm.
just imagination.
Hmm. Yeah, very good. You have written. Shikha, tell me your sentence.
Okay, ma'am. If I won 2 lakh rupees, I would travel whole world.
If I got. Okay, one you have written. No. Okay. No problem. One, WON, is it? WON, is it?
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay, yeah, you have correct. If I own 2 lakh rupees, I would go to a trip. Very good.
I would travel whole.
I would travel whole world, but whole to travel whole world is not possible by 2 lakh. It is, but
Yeah,
yeah, it is as a
imagination.
sentence. It is correct. Okay, sentence is correct. Very good, very good. Harshit, did you make any sentence?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, please tell me.
If I if I got crack my exam, I would go to foreign.
Yes, if I got cracked my exam, I would go to foreign. Very good, very good, nice. That is the second condition. There is, that means uh, that means uh, impossible. Now it is impossible. That means it is not happened. It is, you are imagining, you are thinking. If it would have been like that, then it would have been like that. This is the process. Imagination, based on imagination. Okay. Yeah. Okay, now please come in the third
Ma'am, what is the
conditional
meaning of
sentence.
would?
Yes, please tell me. What?
Ma'am, what is the meaning of would?
Would means matlab to see the future, to see. That means that is not an imagination, that is not a reality. Based on imagination you are telling. When you will be telling some sentence with your imagination, you have to use would. If I would be I would be there, I would go, I would do that. If I own the lottery, I would buy a car. That means अगर मैं जीत जाता हूँ लॉटरी, तो मैं एक कार खरीदूंगा नहीं, खरीदता। दैट मीन्स इमेजिनेशन। लॉटरी भी पाना भी इमेजिनेशन के अंदर है, मैंने पाया नहीं, और मेरा कार भी खरीदना भी एक इमेजिनेशन। दैट मीन्स समथिंग इज, दैट मीन्स यू आर predicting, not it is reality, really it is going on, it is just you are predicting this one. If it had been like that, अगर ये होता तो वो होता, अगर मैं वो होता तो ये होता, and at that time you have to use would. Okay, So you will be making so many sentences. At that time you will be making understand yourself. Did you understand up to this much? Would. Okay. Did you understand, Karan, Shikha, Harshit?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Please come in
Yes,
the
ma'am.
third conditional. Please come in the third conditional sentence. Third conditional sentence, what is it is telling? If plus past perfect. Second condition was past simple. Now it is past perfect plus would have plus past participle. Completely you see the structure.
We used also if, that is the zero conditional sentences.
Okay. First conditional sentence, who will make me understand? Karan or Shikha? Anyone? Karan, you make me understand.
Okay, ma'am. In first conditional sentences, the form is always if plus present simple plus future simple. It means first of all in this sentence came if, then the form is in present simple and then in future simple. And the first conditional sentences only refer to the situation that is possible, or that is possible means it have been done, or that is realistic means it has been real. I'm also taking an example like if you study hard, you will pass your exam. It means अगर तुम अच्छे से पढ़ते हो तो तुम एग्जाम जरूर पास करोगे. First of all, in this if came, then the form is in present simple, then in future simple. So these are things. When these things came, then we know that these sentences are first conditional sentences. Yeah, ma'am, that's all.
Very good. Shikha, make me understand. Anyone? First or zero? Anyone?
Okay. Okay. So first conditional. Okay, first conditional. So first of all, first conditional. It's first of all we can say like the the situation which is like possible and which is real. Like we can, I'm taking an example like we can say if you don't do study, then there will be lots of problems in your future. Like this is possible and this is also real because if we don't study, then our future is in very is in danger. So first we can. So I'm telling its structure. So first we have to use here if, and after if we have to use here present simple, and after that future simple, like that. Yeah, this sentence, like in short form we can say like the sentence which is clear, like which will happen, like which will happen, like if you don't study then you will fail, like that. And yeah, if the sentence is possible. Yeah.
Okay, very good. So I want Harshit to tell what is the structure of zero conditional sentence. What is the structure of zero conditional sentence?
And in zero conditional sentence, both of them present simple tense, and the sentence will start from
If plus present simple plus present simple.
simple or present simple.
Yes. And every the sentence will start in present simple and also it will be ending in present simple only.
From simple tense.
Yes. And you can write if it rains the ground gets wet. If if you study, you get good marks like this. Okay, that means reason, that means true. If you are doing this one, that is not done till now, but it may happen that if you do this like, then you will be getting the result. This is the possibilities. Okay, did you understand? All of
Okay,
you, do you have any question? Karan, Shikha, Harshi, do you have any question regarding these two sentences?
No, ma'am.
Okay,
no, ma'am.
then